Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Trust Wallet updated. Start by downloading the official app from your device store and avoid third-party links. Next, create a new wallet and carefully write down the recovery phrase on paper only. Store that paper in a locked location and never share it. Finally, enable biometrics and set a strong passcode, and test a small transfer to confirm everything works safely. Backup planning prevents irreversible loss, so act now to protect your wallet. Make at least 2 separate physical backups of your recovery phrase and keep them in different secure locations. Avoid any online copy like cloud, email, or photos, since those can be hacked. If your holdings are large, use a fireproof safe or bank deposit box. Periodically verify the backups and practice restoring the wallet on a spare device to confirm reliability. Protecting your Trust Wallet is about layers of caution and common sense. Enable biometric unlock plus a strong device passcode, and never approve unfamiliar contract requests. Always verify token contract addresses and use copy-paste with care to avoid typos. For larger balances, consider pairing Trust Wallet with a hardware wallet for cold storage. Keep apps and device firmware updated, and treat your recovery phrase like the single key to everything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.